Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to quickly look at this update. Trust code withdrawal is live. So I'm going to do a quick update on this because I also introduced this trust code to my community. So now their withdrawal is open. We are going to look at one or two things concerning this project. Here they made this update, I think 2 days ago. They said that Trust Call withdrawal is now live. Big news for the community. Trust Call withdrawal is officially open. Users can now withdraw their tokens. Withdrawal process, you need to deposit minimum of 10 call required to activate your account. Minimum of 10 call. That is the first withdrawal process. Now the second one is after activation, you can submit a withdrawal request. The third process is only 0.5 call withdrawal fee. So you have to deposit minimum of 10 call to activate your wallet. Then the withdrawal fee is 0.5 call. And they say this activation rule has been introduced to prevent fake and unlimited account abuse. Only real and active users will be able to withdraw. And there's a listing update. Major exchange listing coming in March. Big announcement. Stay tuned. Now, this is why I want to make this quick update concerning TrustCore. Yes, I introduced this project to my community, but along the line, I found out that they lack transparency. They are not straightforward. They keep on telling us that one ticker is equals to one USDT, but along the line they are not being transparent enough to make us believe that actually one ticker is equal to one USDT. And not just that, they keep on introducing other projects to their community. So I thought there's no need wasting time. Now the withdrawal has opened and they are requesting that you deposit 10 call. Do you know how much is 10 call to deposit on this platform that you are not even sure after depositing you will be able to claim? What are you even claiming? Now they say you deposit 10 call to activate your account and the withdrawal fee is 0.5 call. The 0.5 call withdrawal fee is normal, but why will you deposit 10 call to this platform and they don't have any exchanges that have talked about their listing? So this, I'm doing this video to quickly address it. Do not deposit anything on this platform unless if you have more than enough, you can give it a try. After all, life is all about risk. So if you wish to take the risk, you can go ahead. But for me, do not deposit anything on this platform. They are not legit enough. Now let's also look at their update on their S account. So here 14 hours ago, they made this update. They said attention trust core community criteria security update, scammer alert and street action initiated. This street action is just to make you and I, the gullible ones, to fall into their trap. They are just updating you to make sure that you fall into their trap. Do not fall into their trap. They said our team has detected a certain individual attempting to exploit the TikTok ecosystem and community by creating unlimited fake accounts. We will not tolerate any harm to our genuine users. To eliminate those malicious actors, a strict anti-scam system is now in full effect. Account activation is mandatory. You see that? Account activation is mandatory, meaning that they still want you to deposit that 10 ticker, and they say to prove you are a real user and to secure your mine tokens, you must show activity on your account. Action required. Complete at least one. Look at the words they want us to do right now. They say initiate a token withdrawal. You must initiate a token withdrawal. Before you initiate a token withdrawal, you would have to deposit. You can't just go and initiate a token withdrawal without depositing to the platform. And the second thing is to make a top up to your account. You need to top up your account. They say ultimatum, only 24 hours remaining. They are giving you ultimatum to do this on or before 24 hours. So my dear, do not fall for these guys. Do not fall for these guys. They are not here to help the community. They are here to take away from you. Now they said if you fail to activate your account via withdrawal or top up within the next 24 hours, your account will be flagged as fake or inactive and immediate action will be taken. This is just to put fear to some people, not from you. They want to put fear in some people so that they can fall for this. Even if you deposit that 10th call to their account, to your account, you will not withdraw shishi. These guys are not legit. Don't fall for them. Don't fall for them. Now, your account will be permanently blocked if you did not deposit. All your mining progress and token will be lost forever, zeroed out. There will be absolutely no option for recovery. It's better you lose the one you mine than after mining, you deposited your 10 call and yet you did not make anything from it. So it is a waste. Now they say T-Call is dedicated solely to our real and loyal supporters. So guys, do not fall for these guys. They also made here Trust Call, $T-Call community ready mission pass February. And here they are also introducing a private Presale. I don't know who they are introducing a private Presale for. Look at it here. They said that 500 T-Call costs 50 core. Okay. Most popular 6,250 T-Call. Then you buy it. It's a waste of time buying T-Call private Presale. Do not fall for these guys. So make sure you stay updated on this platform. We'll be giving you updates. So that is it for this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share, turn on the bell notification, join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel for high value update. Thank you guys.